I was kindly gifted this 3-pack of pop fidget spinners, and my son has been having a blast with them. Each spinner has silicone pop bubbles that make a satisfying popping sound when you press them down. Then you just flip it over and start again. They also have a smooth, satisfying spin that keeps little hands busy while also helping with focus and concentration. I love that these spinners are made with high-quality ABS and silicone, so they're lightweight, flexible, and tear-resistant. They hold up well to everyday play, and the bright colors and engaging design make them exciting to play with. Playing with these spinners is simple and fun. Just make sure that the pop part of them is in the up position, and then you can spin them on the table, or you can hold them in your hand and spin them. They're small and portable too, so my son can bring them anywhere, which is great for in the car, at restaurants, or in waiting rooms. This set is perfect for Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers, classroom prizes, party favors, or just a little surprise gift for your child at home. They keep kids entertained in a fun and interactive way. If you're looking for an engaging and durable fidget spinner set, this one is an excellent choice for kids of all ages.